What's the meaning of catsuit? Catsuit. Catsuit.
Catsuit. Catsuit. A catsuit is a skin-tight one-piece garment that covers the torso and legs, often made of stretchy material such as spandex or latex. It is typically worn by performers, athletes, or for fashion purposes. The term catsuit originally referred to a one-piece garment worn by cat burglars, but it has since evolved to encompass a broader range of designs. Catsuits are popular in various subcultures, including fetish fashion and cosplay. They are also worn for practical purposes, such as in extreme sports or by astronauts during spacewalks.